Hey guys, welcome back. This is me Pranay and you're watching Technomaster. So guys, today Xiaomi has announced three new smartphones in China known as Redmi K70, K70 Pro and K70E. So today in this video guys, we are going to talk about the Redmi K70E. I am going to tell you its full details, its specifications, price, and lastly I will share guys my opinion about this handset with you people. So please guys be in this video till the last. And if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, then guys click that subscribe button and then press the bell notification button so that you people will get notified whenever I upload a new video in this channel. So let's quickly get started guys. So let's start with the specifications first guys. So Redmi K70E comes with 6.67 inches Full HD plus 12-bit OLED display and comes with 1800 nits of peak brightness guys, and this is really awesome display I would say. And now coming to the processor, this handset comes with octa-core 3.35 GHz MediaTek Dimensity 8300 Ultra processor, which is a 4 nanometer based one and comes with Mali G615 GPU. Now in terms of RAM and ROM, this handset comes with three different variants. 12GB RAM and 16GB RAM with 256GB storage, 512GB storage and 1TB storage, and microSD card slot is also expandable, and this is UFS 4 storage. Now coming to the cameras guys, this handset comes with triple rear setup. So first sensor here is a 60MP shooter which is OmniVision sensor and comes with aperture of f1.8. Second one is a 8 megapixel 120 degree ultra wide angle lens, and last one is a 2MP macro sensor, and front is a single 16MP shooter. Now coming to the sensors, this handset comes with in-display fingerprint sensor and also has IR blaster. Now coming to the battery guys, this handset comes with 5500 mAh of battery capacity, which is really good thing. Now coming to the pricing guys, starting price of this handset is $282 US, which is roughly around 23,500 Indian rupees. Now guys, in last I would say this handset, for the price this handset is looking good, specifications are looking good, so I will make an unboxing video of this handset when this handset gets launched in India. So till then guys, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, just drop your questions in the comment section below guys, and make sure to like this video and subscribe to this channel to get more such videos in future. Thank you guys.